Hi Divine Souls, welcome to Spiritual Swarna 3 YouTube channel. This channel is on spirituality and healing. I am Swarna here. I practice various modalities in healing since last 6 years. So you can get the details about me on my about column in this channel. I thank each of my subscriber who has subscribed my channel in recent past few weeks and leaving very beautiful comments and your experiences, how you resonate with my videos and beautiful emails which I am receiving from you with lots of love and gratitude to each one of you who are watching my channel. It's been 2 weeks I was not able to upload any videos because of a function in the family, but today I was getting a lot of download about to address the issue in each one of us that was about the abandonment of the self. So I thought I'll make this video and I'll post it to all my subscribers and everybody who's watching my channel. This is a kind of a channeled message which was keeping on coming, that you have to address the abandonment of self. Especially the twin flames must watch this video. What is abandonment? Abandonment is something where you are leaving behind somebody, or you are left behind by the people or the society, or you're cut off from the 3D third dimension source, like your family or friends or society are leaving you away, and they're making you a segregation and saying that you are not from our cult or our family, or doesn't behave the way or doesn't respond the way we do in the third dimension reality. Or sometimes also abandonment happens because of undesiredness. So like you always want to be in good books of someone, but it's not always possible. So what happens is, when you are not in good books of somebody, they abandon you, they leave you, they segregate you and they separate you from them. This is also abandonment issues. Many of us, we face all these kind of situations. And when you're sometimes discarded by the twin flame, so sometimes twin flame is rejecting you, sometimes they are blocking you from their WhatsApp, from the social media and all. That is a discarding of yourself from the twin flame, or discarding yourself from the society, people, a sect, a group of people who are actually discarding you from their groupism. Or there is an insecurity feeling, being left alone, because spirituality is a pathway, a journey where you are left alone most of the times, because you don't fit into the third dimension reality of third dimensional thinking capabilities. We don't fit into that. And 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 always will be like wanting for others to take care of us. But is it possible that can anybody take care of us all the time? Or is it always that you are the one who are taking care of yourself? Sometimes old parents or people who are watching my YouTube channel who are at their old age, twin flames who are at the age of 50 plus, and their twin flames are below the age of 30 or 20, when they abandon each other, or when the old parents are abandoned by the kids, the fear of abandonment or the abandonment itself, all these issues have to be addressed. The fear itself has to be addressed. People in love, there is a fear or abandonment by the opposite person, the person who then they call as a lover or a admirer, or the person opposite sex. There is sometimes the abandonment issues of the wife by the husband and all. So these are all the various abandonment issues which are actually uh, there in there in us. So sometimes when we go back to our childhood, we would have seen that in childhood the child doesn't have any fear of abandonment. They are coming from the pure source of energy. So as they have descended on the earth, they don't have any fears, and they don't have any abandonment issues. They don't think from that aspect. They come here to have fun, to enjoy life. But where are these beliefs put on the child? As the child grows up, these beliefs are put on by the parents, the society which is the child is facing, and it becomes solidified each year by year. And what the child is taught is put into fear again and again, that if you don't do this, you don't belong to this sect, or you belong to this sect. That groupism, that like to be in groups or to be in a caste or a structure is taught to the small child, and that becomes solidified when they as they grow up. Even in schools, They name the school people, like you belong to this school, that school. There are ranks, there are classes, there is a society structure, caste systems. All these things have been imbibed, and these are all false identities, the ego cells which keep building up layer by layer. So abandonment actually is a fear of letting go of these false identities which are being building up onto you. And we have made it very significant and very essential for us to be belonging to a particular community or a group. So but what are we actually? What are we in its essence? We are the source in its essence. We forget that and keep going back to our finite body name structure, the belongingness or the false identities. We keep going back to that. But what are we doing in actuality? We are actually abandoning our own self, the true self as a child. As we were born from the source, we descended from the source. We are actually abandoning our own self and seeking adoption by others, either the society, a community, or a particular sect or group. We are always wanting to be fitting into that groupism. So what we are doing to ourselves, and what we cannot give it to ourselves, how can we expect it from others? So if we are abandoning ourselves, how can we expect that others don't abandon us? So in the experience, if we talk about, like, you will find yourself and your true strength only when people abandon you, and when you are walking alone on a path, the chosen path by you and your soul on the mother earth, that is when you will find your true self and your true strength. So this fear of abandonment, to face this fear of abandonment and let go of abandonment, is very important. And that is when you start, once you overcome this fear of abandonment, that is when you raise up like a phoenix, and there's a lot of light emerging from you, which is coming, you coming out of the darkness, and the fearlessness comes up. And that is when you start becoming a light for others also. It's not only you will be coming from the darkness, but also the others will be coming out of the darkness. And that's how this YouTube channel was made, Spiritual Swarna 3. So can we be that contribution to Mother Earth, beings on the earth? Can we be that contribution to the beings on the earth? Can we own ourselves and not abandon our own self? One of the best examples is that Jesus Christ, the ascended master Jesus Christ. So he was abandoned by the so-called the sect of people and crucified by the people of third dimension reality. So even the Christ, like, he went through this ascension process where this abandonment issue was very important to be addressed. And if you look into most of the ascended masters or saints, they were shooed away and discriminated from the society. And that is when they were discriminated and shooed away, that is when they were able to see their own light and shine and become divine and ascend. So what are we actually fearing? Actually, we are fearing, if what if somebody abandons and we find infinite freedom in that abandonment? We have that fear of freedom. If so much of freedom is given, we are not tied up to any sect, culture, caste, structure. We are fearing that. So that's why we are tied up to abandonment issues or fear of abandonment. What happens if we make a choice to do whatever we wish to do? So that there is a fear after abandonment. What are the choices I'm going to make? How I'm going to survive alone? And there is a fear of unknown future. Like, you don't know. You have fear that I don't know how the future is going to be created if somebody abandons me. So all these fears actually fuel the abandonment issue. So imagine if you are abandoned, what will be the future which will be created? It will be more expansive, more loving, more fun, and more fructifying to the soul, because soul will do what it wants to do. What if it is worth breaking out of the cocoon of third dimension fears of abandonment? It's like just caterpillar opening up to become a butterfly. It's all the transformation procedure which is happening. So are we resisting this abandonment? from the groupism. There is a great split which is going to happen between the third dimensional consciousness and the fourth dimension, fifth dimension. And this abandonment issue is becoming too much for all those who are raising their, who have worked on their consciousness. So this was channeled to me in the morning, and since morning I was on this topic, and I thought I'll definitely channel a meditation for as a gift to all of the spiritual people who are seeking more support from the ascended masters, twin flame ascended masters. A healing energy I'm planning to give it to as a give it to all of you as a gift, especially based on abandonment fears, abandonment issues, to all the twin flames and all the other people who are actually wanting to go deeper into spirituality, to address this particular pattern which we are actually carrying from past. Okay, so date of that and the link, Zoom link of that will be shared with you shortly. But meanwhile, I just thought I'll share the abandonment issue which is coming to me, and also I just thought I'll share with you some clearing statements which I felt that I should share, and you should recite them to address, to come out of the cocoon which we have created. We are working on our consciousness. People who have worked on their consciousness are going to consciously ascend, but all others who are actually, some people are resisting for this shift which is going to happen. So these are some clearing statement which I would like to share with you all. So this is one which I there are 5 statements I'll be just reciting, so you can find it in either I'll pin it up in the description box or in the comment section. I clear and transmute past emotional traumas and every underneath energy of abandonment from the childhood across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. Second one, I clear and transmute fear of abandonment and its underneath energy across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. I clear and transmute past life pre-programming of abandonment hidden deep in subconscious mind across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. I clear and transmit all abandonment stories I heard, remember, and imbibed into my mind across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. I clear and transmute all abandonment futures which I have created in this lifetime or past lifetime across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. I clear and transmute any oaths, vows I have taken to be abandoned across all time, space, dimensions, and realities. These are the affirmations which I was getting it when I was thinking about this particular issue of abandonment. I'll be posting this into the description box. Probably, if you resonate with any of the affirmations, you can write it down and recite it 21 times before going to the bed and after getting up in the morning. You can do that for your own benefit. And this is a current energy which I was continuously feeling. There is a fear of abandonment of self. So everywhere you have abandoned yourself also, you have to forgive and raise above that. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you think that it is going to help somebody else, you can share this video with some with your concerned person. And also, uh, thanks a lot for all the support, and you can email me for any queries or anything on acuswarna@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video.